important as M-Pesa. Somewhere I think after having launched mobility 20 years ago in various places, which has become a necessity, M-Pesa kind of a product which brings in financial inclusivity is definitely a privilege. And privilege because it gives us a chance to serve those people who are underbanked, who are people who really are forming the lowest strata of society, but where we need to provide service we've not been able to do, and that's where as an organization, as a product, as a brand, we will be able to do so. And now that it comes to Andhra, let's see how we take it forward from here. Vodafone today in Andhra covers about 75% of the population. And we cover about 11,000 towns and villages across Andhra with 63 lakh subscriber base. We have a distribution footprint of about 105,000 outlets, most of them in rural areas, and with about 1,000 plus exclusive outlets, as we mentioned, out of 8,000 outlets pan-India, which are present here. Now, what is an M-Pesa opportunity in AP? Let's look at the three large corridor, business corridor, as well as the migrant corridor, as we call it. We have a very large student base, as you all know, situated in Hyderabad, Warangal, Vizag, Vijayawada and Guntur, where we have lots of colleges and many people from rest of the country, as well as from our main city who go in these rural belts where we have these colleges located. Obviously, the bank branches are too far away, and that's where M-Pesa really comes handy. Not only these people can cash out, cash in and use the product to best advantage, but it also enables them to transfer money from various states to this state or the other way around. We have an industrial opportunity where industrial corridors, whether in the power plants or in the steel plants or in coal mines, a lot of migrant workers who come from neighboring states need to send back the money, and again M-Pesa becomes handy in doing that. Apart from this, we all know the naval as well as the defense base, the army base, huge chunk of population, about 400,000 plus, all of them coming from rest of the country. Again, there's a huge benefit which accrue to the defense forces, the Jawans whom they send the cash back to their family on, switch of a button. Now, M-Pesa in Andhra Pradesh, as we stand today, as we launch today, it's not just a launch in the hotel, I would say. It's a launch in the streets. It's launch in the villages. So we launched about, as we talk, 3,800 plus agents already. These agents can transact today, can cash in, cash out. Out of them, 700 plus being our exclusive retail outlets, which are serving about 3 crore out of 8.5 crore population already. These are present in 1050 villages, which are less than 20,000 pop strata town. In fact, as we go forward, we intend to triple this outlet base so that we can cover larger and larger population of Andhra Pradesh. These are supported by 232 branches. In fact, our intent is to cover the maximum reach and bring most of the people who can be brought under the banking services of M-Pesa. With this, I would like to call Suresh, a business head for M-Pesa, to take you through the basics and the details of the product M-Pesa. Suresh.